The Bell AZ 75710 is a true giant among mining trucks, and its impressive stats will blow your mind. This Belarusian beast weighs around 800,000 pounds, 360 metric tons, and can haul up to 990,000 pounds, 450 metric tons, of cargo. That's like carrying 350 average cars at once. Bell AZ 75710 is primarily used in large mining operations, transporting massive loads of rock and minerals from the quarry to processing facilities. Its massive size requires not just power, but precision engineering. It has two 65-liter diesel engines that together produce over 4,600 horsepower. These engines drive electric motors that propel the truck, making it a hybrid in a way. It's also surprisingly maneuverable for its size, with an advanced hydraulic steering system. Despite its immense weight, the truck's 8 large tires are designed to handle rugged terrain and steep inclines, allowing it to operate in the most challenging environments. Bell AZ 75710 holds the Guinness World Record for the largest payload capacity of any truck, making it a symbol of extreme engineering and industrial power. The P&H 4100XPC is a massive electric mining shovel, and if you're into giant machines, this one's a beast. It's used in large-scale mining operations to dig up tons of earth and rock, especially when extracting minerals like copper or iron. Here's the cool part. The bucket on this thing can hold up to 120 tons of material in one scoop. That's like lifting 60 cars at once. It's powered by electricity and uses huge cables to connect to a power source, which makes it more efficient and powerful than diesel-powered machines. It's designed to work in the harshest mining environments, where the ground is tough and the loads are heavy. The P&H 4100XPC has a state-of-the-art control system, so the operator can manage all that power with precision. It's got huge tracks to move around, and despite its size, it's surprisingly agile for handling big jobs. If you ever see one of these in action, it's like watching a giant mechanical dinosaur effortlessly scoop up tons of dirt, making mining look easy. This machine is a perfect example of heavy-duty engineering. The Komatsu PC8000 is one of the biggest hydraulic mining excavators out there, and it's a beast of a machine. This thing is built for moving massive amounts of earth, and it's used in some of the toughest mining environments around the world. The PC8000 weighs about 770 tons, that's 1.5 million pounds, and can scoop up 42 cubic meters, 55 cubic yards, of material in one go. That's like filling up 20 regular-sized pickup trucks with just one scoop. It's powered by 2 huge diesel engines that together generate about 4,000 horsepower, which gives it the strength to keep going all day long without breaking a sweat. What makes it stand out is how versatile it is. It can be fitted with either a shovel or a backhoe, depending on what type of digging is needed. And despite its massive size, the Komatsu PC8000 is known for being super precise and efficient, able to handle tough jobs in places like coal mines and quarries. If you're into heavy machinery, this excavator is definitely a machine worth checking out. It's the kind of equipment that takes mining to the next level with its sheer power and size. The Liebherr LTM 11200-9.1 is an absolute monster when it comes to mobile cranes. If you're into big machines, this one is seriously impressive. It's known for having the longest telescopic boom in the world. It can extend up to 100 meters, over 328 feet. That's taller than the Statue of Liberty, but it's not just about height. This crane can lift 1,200 tons. That's 2.6 million pounds. Imagine it lifting more than 20 fully loaded Boeing 737s, all with precision and control. The crane is used for some of the biggest projects out there, like setting up massive wind turbines, constructing skyscrapers, or even lifting other heavy machinery. What's cool is that despite its size, the LTM 11200 is mobile. It's mounted on a Hyundai 9-axle truck, meaning it can be driven to different sites instead of needing to be assembled on location like most large cranes. That kind of mobility, combined with its power, makes it super versatile. So yeah, if you're into heavy-duty construction equipment, the LTM11200 is definitely one of the most badass machines out there. The Fall Bagger 293 is an enormous excavator that's basically a marvel of engineering. It's often considered the largest land vehicle in the world. Imagine a machine that's about 740 feet long and weighs over 28 million pounds. That's the Bagger 293. This giant has a bucket that can handle up to 240,000 cubic meters of material each day, which is like filling 96 Olympic-sized swimming pools with dirt every single day. It's used mainly in surface mining to move huge amounts of soil and rocks. The excavator moves on massive tracks and operates around the clock, powered by multiple electric motors to get the job done efficiently. One of the coolest things about the Bagger 293 is that it's so big it has to be assembled on site because it can't be transported as a whole. The different pieces are brought in and put together like a giant puzzle. So, if you're ever thinking about moving a mountain, the Bagger 293 is the machine you'd want. It's not just large, it's an incredible feat of engineering and power.